All right, everybody. Come in, get settled, put your book bag down. We got a lot of work to do today. Just as a reminder, homework 3.3 is due tomorrow. If you don't hand it in tomorrow, you don't get a grade, and that will be a 0 towards your report card. So make sure you hand in homework 3.3 tomorrow. Okay, so today there's no goal and do now. I'm just going to tell you the goal. We're learning about this guy, Gregor Mendel. Anyone know who he is? Heard his name before?
No.
Okay.
Nope,
I
no
see
clue.
Chanel's nodding her head. No. Who said no clue? Who? Okay, Danette says she doesn't know. All right, we're going to learn a lot about this guy today. He was a young priest in Europe many years ago. He studied at the University of Vienna for 2 years. And he also taught high school. Now, he loved to garden. Does anyone here like to garden?
Yeah.
Who said
Keisha
yeah?
says, yeah. It depends on the mood, says Chanel.
Okay. Just as a reminder, class, you have to make sure you raise your hand. Okay? Danette?
I know my mom loves to garden every day in the summertime.
What does she grow in her garden?
In the backyard, I'm not too sure what kind of flowers. I remember sunflowers. I can't really remember the exact name, but every spring and every summer she was gardening.
Did she grow any vegetables or fruits?
Vegetables, yeah, tomatoes, and a few others, yeah. I remember she had a lot of fresh tomatoes, but the other ones I'm not too sure of.
Okay. Anybody else?
Keisha.
Keisha?
My mom used to grow thymes, tomatoes, and there's another one I can't remember. I can't remember how to say it. Started with a C. Cilantro and potatoes.
Okay. Now let me ask you, since both of you guys said that your moms grew tomatoes, did every tomato look exactly the same? Danette?
No, some tomatoes were green, sometimes were red, sometimes they were mixed colors.
Mm-hmm. How about you, Keisha? What'd you notice?
Some would be small, some would be like medium sized, some were bigger. It really depended. They weren't always the same size.
So now, Chanel, when you go to that fruit store, let's say you buy a banana. Are they all the same size?
You can never find the same size.
Mm-hmm. How about you, Jamel? What do you buy when you go to the grocery store? Any fruits and vegetables?
I buy fruits, apples, bananas. That's really it for me.
Does every apple look the same?